Hi, I'm Mitali.
And I'm Summiyya, and you know us better as House of Misu.
We're influencers, we love fashion, and we're also best friends in real life. I mean, work-life balance, what is that, right? I guess it exists, but what do you think?
I think you just have to learn how to prioritize, take your life in your own hands, because work's never gonna end.
That's true. So what's your favorite makeup trend these days?
I think I'm loving a colored liner.
Okay, then I'm gonna give you one. The Lakmé Iconic in electric green. It's more of a sea green. This color actually looks amazing on you. So how do we come up with ideas and concepts?
Inspiration comes from anywhere, but our brainstorming always involves food.
That's so true.
So the one thing Mitali can eat all day is gelato.
Well, only if it wasn't so unhealthy.
Well, don't we all wish that? So what color would you like to complete your look?
I think I'd go with the coral.
I think this one from the Lakmé 9 to 5, it's called the Vermilion Fired. It's perfect for you.